I wish I knew what video to make for Lucas Grows Best. My subscribers are counting on me. That's it!
Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I set up my grow light to grow the healthiest possible seedlings indoors every year. Stay tuned.
I start out with a table which I will set my grow light on. This is a custom table my grandpa built for me that fits the dimensions of my grow light perfectly. Before setting up, I just want to ensure that the surface of the table is clean and bacteria free. I generally use Windex cleaner, but I should definitely look into more eco-friendly options. I also use a microfilament cloth, which seems to pick up dust really well. The next thing I do is get the supplies ready. I use a Fluorolite tabletop grow light, which is 50 inches long, 19 inches wide, and 24 inches tall. It uses two 24-inch Verilux fluorescent tubes, which are specialized bulbs with ideal wavelengths for growing plants. These grow lights are pretty expensive, but they definitely ensure vigorous growth. Instead of manually turning on my grow light every morning and switching it off every night, I use a timer to do this for me. This timer is designed especially for aquaponics systems and grow setups, just like mine. This particular timer is 3-pronged, making it safer to use than its double-pronged alternatives. It has a switch on it, allowing you to switch your grow light on manually or with a timer. But I always put mine on the timer mode, because otherwise there's really no point in having the timer at all. I set the timer to switch my grow light on at 7 in the morning and switch it off at 9 p.m. This gives my seedlings 14 hours of light every day, which I have found to be plenty. The next thing I do is put trays under my grow light. These keep dirt off the table and can be used as a reservoir to bottom water seedlings. Finally, my grow light setup is complete. The only thing left to do is to test the bulbs, add plants, and admire my work. Oh yeah, the bulbs are bright as day, all ready to grow. These little guys look like they're in desperate need of some artificial rays. One small problem though, the grow light's a little too low. Well, the thing that's so great about this grow light is that you can raise it very easily. All you gotta do is turn the knobs on each side and lift it up. Very straightforward and very simple. Well, it looks like it's still a little too low for these guys. Time to raise it again. Second time's the charm? Oh yeah, fit like a glove. You know, these guys are really gonna love growing under here. It's awesome light, and it's definitely gonna suit their needs.